Today, we will be answering NEBOSH IGC1 question. Explain the reasons for maintaining and promoting good standards of health and safety in the workplace. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to HSE tutorials. There are three main reasons for maintaining and promoting good standards of health and safety in the workplace. 1. Moral reasons. Employers have a moral duty to protect their workers from harm. No one should be injured, made ill, or die due to work activities. Preventing pain, suffering, and long-term health effects is a basic ethical responsibility. Society expects employers to take reasonable care of their employees. 2. Legal reasons. Most countries have health and safety laws requiring employers to provide a safe working environment. This includes safe systems of work, safe plant and equipment, competent personnel, and adequate training and supervision. Failing to comply can lead to legal penalties, enforcement actions, and loss of operating licenses. Third, financial, economic reasons. Accidents and ill health result in both direct and indirect costs. Direct costs include compensation claims, fines, and repair of equipment. Indirect costs may include downtime, retraining staff, reputational damage, and lower staff morale. Investing in good health and safety helps avoid these costs and improves overall business efficiency. Other reasons. Promoting good health and safety can lead to improved employee morale, better productivity, higher product quality, and enhanced company reputation among clients, investors, and regulatory bodies.